Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. This car is finished in beautiful blue with blue bucket seats. It came that way out of the factory. This is a true SS bucket seat car out of the factory, and we're going to take a look at this beautiful car today. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have questions about any of these cars, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to take a look at this beautiful 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS right here. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful car. We're going to take a look at it here. First, we're going to take a look at the passenger side of the interior. Oh, beautiful paint on this car. Absolutely just laser straight. Take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interiors finished beautifully. Like I said, factory bucket seats, console. It's got the grab handle. Just absolutely gorgeous right there. Take a look at that. Back seats just as nice. Just absolutely clean. Show you the headliner. Excellent condition. I'm gonna grab the key so we can open up the trunk. But all in excellent condition. Just absolutely gorgeous. Show you the doors here. Just absolutely beautiful there. Shut the door here. Gonna take a look inside of the trunk. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. Really, really looks good. All right, shut this here, and Dad's gonna start it up for me. All the lights, you can see the lights working underneath the dash there. Just a really beautiful car, all finished in excellent condition. Shut the door here. Door shut, easy, super easy. All right, we're gonna take a look underneath the hood here. Like I said, this car is powered by a 327, and it does have power steering on it, 327 with power steering, automatic transmission. Just an absolutely gorgeous car. I'm gonna zoom in right there for you. You take a look at that. Take a picture of it if you like to, and that will tell you that it is a true super sport car right there. So that's what proves it. All right, I'm gonna shut the hood here, and we're gonna take one more quick look at this 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. Like I said, if you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this Impala for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to take this 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. We're going to drive this Impala. steers the right way, doesn't rattle or shake, stops good, has good brakes. We're gonna head back here. Like I do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit.
Turn signal.
Oh, yeah, in the dash there. Show them the other side, Dad. See it there.
Yeah, got it. There's right, there's left.
Yep. All right, we are gonna head back. I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Impala's made of.
Waiting on them to clear out there.
Got a little bit of traffic going on. Here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. We are going to show you the underneath here. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here's the underneath.